Here we are. This is EJ once again. We're coming back to you with part two. I believe we left off with car rentals. Renting a car with your Search 365 membership. An SUV for 7 days in Miami. The lowest internet price is $424 for the week. Excuse me. The Search 365 price for our members is $268 if you're a member of the Search Wholesale Travel Club. That's $156 member savings. Likewise, if you're only a Vortex owner and you send someone to the Vortex, they get to save likewise. $47 is what the Vortex customer saves. $47 is what the Vortex owner. The Vortex owner is going to earn exactly what has been saved. Now we've looked at comparable wholesale club memberships across the board, across the internet. This is what the initial fee is. The lowest fee we can find is a $10,000 one-time initiation fee. This is the value of that which Search 365 is offering. The second lowest for a family is $20,000 one-time initiation fee. And of course, the executive for the business traveler is a $30,000 one-time initiation fee. Each of those has an annual due of $3,400. So, and then there are also blackouts and limitations, and you have to book 6 months in advance. But none of that is what we do. We make everything easy for you. We give you the same type of membership, lowest price on the internet being $10,000 for the initial initiation fee. But listen, does it make sense to you that you should save wholesale travel? Of course it does. You can travel where, when, and with whom you want. You get big discounts on vacations, business, and everyday travel. There are no blackout dates and unlimited bookings with a 150% price match guarantee. You earn reward credits on all your travel, your shopping, your dining, and activities that you book through your membership. Awesome. Yes, it is. The Search 365 membership is only $277, ladies and gentlemen. Initial fee. Remember, I told you that the lowest internet price for this type of wholesale travel is $10,000. But Search 365 is going to make you a wholesale travel club member for an initial fee of $277, only $277, and that does include your first month membership fee. That means from there on, it's $59.95 a month unless you decide to join us in eliminating that monthly fee by referring 3 members or 3 Vortex owners. Doesn't matter which 3 that you refer. That will absolutely make your membership 3 and free. You get to join the 3 and free club. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So that was option number 2 with Search 365 for you as a wholesale travel club member. Now the third option, I believe, is the best option. It's the cream of the crop. It's the tip of the top. It is the Vortex Platinum membership. Let me show you what you're going to get. You are going to get that Vortex referral income opportunity. That's right. You get the private booking site that you can give away for free. All you need is 100 customers in that Vortex, 100 or 200 customers in that Vortex. When they save $25, you're going to make $5,000 and more. If they do it twice at 200 customers saving $25 gets you a $5,000 income. If they do it twice, that gets you a $10,000 income for the year. And all you're doing is posting your link, giving it away. Put it on your business cards, put it on flyers, leave it on the drop cards. We will absolutely show you how to get your link in front of the most people that you possibly can. If you are a nonprofit organization, you can put it on the back of your bulletins. You can put it on the overhead when you're doing your announcement in church on Sunday. You can have a special fundraising opportunity with that Vortex and have the people in your membership, your supporters, go out and just pass out flyers on the mall, pass out flyers at the beach, pass out flyers wherever people are so that they can learn how to get those savings. And ladies and gentlemen, when they save, that's right, you get referral income. So then there's the travel membership for 2. That wholesale travel club is available for you and a person of your choosing who will not have to pay for their membership. They're going to be your tag along. That's right. You and one other person will have the Search 365 Wholesale Travel Club membership. That membership includes, excuse me, includes reward credits on the Vortex customer purchases. Because if the Vortex owner, people who go into your Vortex are not members, so yes, they get discounts, but those reward credits are going to go into your vacation vault because they are not Search members. So those reward credits go into your vacation vault. Likewise, your reward credits go into your vacation vault. So you have double reward credits going into the vault. You have access then to a successful host agency. That is an agency that will teach you how to become a certified travel agent if you so desire, that career choice of putting together group cruises or family reunion, or destination weddings for somebody. If you're the go-to person, people come to and say, could you put this event together for me? This would be a great opportunity for event planners. All right, all of my event planners out there, let's say you want to do this particular thing, incorporate it into what you are already doing. That's right, incorporate this travel agency opportunity into what you are already doing and increase your bottom line exponentially. Then we have a risk-free guarantee for our Vortex owners as well as our Platinum Vortex owners, which means that if after 12 months you find that you are not making the kind of money that you desire to make after you have done the work, put in the effort, there are 3 stipulations that Search 365 is going to ask of you. They're not difficult. I'm going to show you those to you in a few moments, but I want to say risk-free. Risk-free, that means money back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the results. Now that is conditional upon you doing what Search 365 is asking of you as a Vortex and Platinum business owner. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But reward credits. Look at the reward credits available for Orlando, New York, Thailand, Rome, Colorado, Las Vegas, cruises and car rentals. All that is going into the vacation vault. Average reward credits is $14.53 per purchase. That's per purchase average. All right, what can you do with those reward credits? Free 7-night vacations, less than 100,000 reward credits. There will be so many free 7-night vacations that you can access with those reward credits. Cabo is one of the top 10 in the TripAdvisor that you can get free, a 7-night vacation in Cabo with your reward credits. I went a little bit too fast. Let me go back and see what else we have here. Vegas, that's my town, 4.5 stars hotel, 7 nights in Vegas, less than $100,000 reward credits. Maui with a 4-star hotel, ocean view room, less than 100,000 reward credits, and that's 7 nights in Maui. Orlando, that 2-bedroom near the main gate that I told you were going to save, was only $637 for members. Once you have your reward credits, you can get that free 7 nights in Orlando, 2-bedroom near the main gate of Disney. In Rome, you get to do stay at a hotel that's top 3 in the TripAdvisor website, review website. In Rome, 7-night vacation free. The Caribbean Cruise Balcony Suite, 7-night Caribbean Cruise is free with your reward credits. Now the host agency, this is the one that's going to teach you how to do group travel. Group travel, they are responsible for $3 billion in sales in the travel industry. They are among the top 50 host agency, numerous times awarded. The founder has been named as number 33 of the most influential people in travel. The comprehensive training is in the back office. You can go at your own pace. Access to top travel vendors. They are going to connect you with the world of travel, and you're going to have insider information, and that's legal in the travel industry as a travel agent. Then you will have substantial earnings on group travel. which you can incorporate to whatever you're already doing. If you are in ministry and you're putting together a conference, you can absolutely put together a workshop, a retreat, a conference, a getaway for your particular type of ministry and earn commission on it as well. Agents can qualify for industry credentials and perks. Ladies and gentlemen, the perks of a travel agent are phenomenal. So if you're interested, open to becoming a travel agent, you just get back with the person that showed you the video. If I'm the person who's showing you the video, then I want you to go ahead and click the link in our description below, and we'll get with you. We will make sure that you get all the information you need. This host travel agency is out of this world. Now here we are going to what would you do if you knew you could not fail? That's a very good question. Excuse me. Risk-free guarantee. Many people many times are afraid to stretch out on faith and step into something that looks good, it sounds good, and it feels good, and it makes sense. It makes sense to travel at a discount instead of traveling retail. It makes sense that when other people save, you could earn if you were the person responsible for getting them the savings. And however much they save, that's what you earn. So Search 365 has taken the risk out of you becoming a business owner, and that risk-free guarantee is this: you share your Vortex portal with 10 customers per month. That's give it away to 10 people per month and have them sign up on the Vortex. It's free to sign up, just like creating a social media account where you go to Twitter and you put in your name and your email. That's it. That's how they sign up. Send them your link and ask them to give you their email and and to then research their dream travel vacation. That's all you want them to do, is put in their name and their email and research their dream travel vacation. Number 2, so customers are going to save when they travel, and you're going to earn. If you're unhappy with your financial result after 12 months, a full 12 months, Search 365 will buy back your Vortex business, and for the total amount paid, less earnings. What that means is the Vortex they're going to buy back your business, and then if you made anything on the Vortex, they deduct that from the purchase price. But this is what you have to do. You have to share the Vortex with 10 customers per month. You must complete the online training, which is about 30 minutes a week, and you have to remain with us for 12 months. Now, that's not going to be difficult when you refer your first 3 people, because then you're going to be 3 and free. No more monthly fee. So that's the stipulations for the risk-free guarantee, getting your money back. Those 3 things. Complete the online training, which is less than 30 minutes a week. It's a video in your back office. Share the Vortex with 10 customers a month. Absolutely free. Just ask them to put in their name and their email and research their dream travel. And then finally remain with us for 12 months. Then if you're unhappy, Search says you're unhappy, we will buy back your Vortex business for the total amount paid, less anything you have earned. And you know you will have earned about $5,000. So come on, you will never ever have to lose with the stuff that we use. So there's no risk now. We've taken that out. So let go of your fear, let go of your doubt, let go of those inhibitions, those little things on the inside of you say, what if it doesn't work? What if this doesn't work? Well, I have a question for those of you with the what if. What if it does work? What if you make thousands of dollars? What if you become a huge success by being a Vortex Platinum member? You get the Vortex, the Travel Club membership, the personal and Vortex customer reward credits, the host agency access, the risk-free guarantee. How much more would we have to put on the table to get you to become a Vortex Platinum member and Vortex owner? The initial fee, we told you that membership online is $10,000 at the lowest. So our initial fee, get this, ladies and gentlemen, $477 only. That is phenomenal. Listen, if you would get this from one of the travel clubs that are selling, they are selling this particular membership for $10,000 plus $3,400 a year every year thereafter. we are going to allow you the same privileges of travel for an initial fee of $477, including that first month $59.95, and then $59.95 for every month thereafter. However, let's eliminate that monthly fee by referring 3 platinum members, or 3 members, or 3 Vortex owners, or any combination of the 3. That's just 3 people who can see, like you can see, the value of being a Vortex owner, of being a travel club member, or owning the whole package. And they will be 3 and free as well, and you will see how that's going to also increase your potential for revenue. Which one is right for you? Vortex refer earnings, that's the Vortex. No blackout dates. The membership Wholesale Travel Club does not have a Vortex. There we go. That's the drawback to membership only. That's membership only. That's option 2. There's no blackout dates, maximum discounts, 150% price match guarantee, personal reward credits, and 3 and free is also an option with the membership. Then the Platinum Club. When you join the Platinum Club, ladies and gentlemen, you get all of the benefits. The Vortex referral earning, no blackout date, maximum discount, 150% price match, personal reward credits, as well as your customer reward credits. Go into that vacation vault. You get access to the host agency, has helped $3 billion in travel sales come to pass and helped. Our founder has helped over 100 people become millionaires. Risk-free guarantee. That's where you can get your money back. You put your money on the table, put your effort in the pot, and therefore at the end of 12 months, if you're not happy, you can get your money back. 3 and free is a possibility and a very real probability when people see that you are saving and earning. So this is what we have to offer. For the Vortex, the initial fee $177. For the membership, initial fee $277. For the Platinum package, initial fee $477, and a monthly fee is $59.95, regardless of whichever program selected. However, 3 and free is also available at any level that we have. So we want to thank you for that and say congratulations, welcome aboard. A risk-free guarantee to becoming a home-based business owner, a world traveler at discount prices, and then to become a wealth builder. And if you just stay with me for a few more moments, we are going to show you how you can become a wealth builder. This is for those of you who want to make some real money. Unlimited $1,000 bonuses, unlimited $10,000 bonus, and an opportunity is on the table for the new people to earn $50,000 within the first 100 days. Is that impossible? Absolutely not, because it's already been done several times with those new people coming into Search 365. And so I'm going to show you in just a moment how to do exactly that, to earn those bonuses, unlimited and the one-time $50,000 bonus. We'll be right back in the next video.